Good morning, students. In the previous one, we have completed exercise 10.1. Today, we are going to complete our exercise 10.2. It is based on theorem. Before going further, we will learn angle subtend by a chord at a point on the circle or at the center. See that? It's a circle, it's a center O, where the chord is AB. Is it clear? Now, AOB is angle subtended by the chord at the center. ACB is the angle subtended by the chord on the circle. One more I can take. I am taking that also. Yes. These. Yes, that is angle ADB is also the angle subtended by the chord on the point on the circle. Now see that AOB at the center, angle ACB on the circle, point on the circle. यहाँ पर लिखोगे point on the circle. Clear? Major arc. One more thing is that is in point line on the major arc. Then here ADB is point on the circle and minor arc. Clear about it? At the minor arc. Understand that in major arc it is less than 180 degree and in minor arc it is more than less than 90 degree and it is more than 90 degree. Clear about it? Now we will see the theorem. What the theorem says that. Yes. First, equal chords of a circle, subtend equal angles at the center. Equal angles at the center. Equal angles at the center. Now, means I'm telling first drawing the figure means that is a circle. Yes, are on two chords. Yes, A, B, C, D, and that is a point O. That are the two angles. Yes, it is. It is given that AB is equals to CD. AB is equal to CD. Now, according to it, what we have to prove, that angles subtended by the equal chords, means AB and CD are the equal chords. Yes, line segment joining the 2 points on the circle. Yes, subtend the equal angle at the center. Angle subtend कौन सा किया गया? Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Is it clear? Now, what is given in that? AB is equals to CD. AB is equal to CD. Now, see the proof. See the proof. Is it clear? OA is equals to OC. OA is equals to OC. OB is equals to OD, and AB is equals to CD. That two are radii of the circle. Radii of the circle. Same for this. That two are also radii of the circle, and that is given. Yes, as you know that all the radii of the circle are equal in length. So the result will be equal. And now, by here I am taking two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Yes. Now, see that by as congruency rule, both the triangles are congruent. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. And after proving that the two triangles are congruent, now what we can prove easily, that is, after that, by CPCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can say that angle AOB is equals to angle COD. That only we have to prove it. Yes, it is. That is theorem first. Now, I am explaining with that theorem first. Yes. The question number 1 is based on that. Question number 1 of exercise is based on that. In that, what you have to do, there are two congruent triangles. Is that given? Here, only one circle is given. Sorry, one circle is given. In that, two circles you have to take. Yes. The question is same. AB and CD. Here is the center. Angle AOB and here is the center. Angle COD. Angle COD. Is it clear? It is given that AB is equals to CD. AB is equals to CD. Clear about it? Now, both the circles are congruent. Both the circles are congruent. So the radii will also be equal. As two circles are congruent if their radii are or radius are equal in length. दो सर्कल कॉन्ग्रुएंट कब होते हैं? जब उनकी जो लेंथ होती है रेडियस की वो क्या होती है? इक्वल। क्या होती है? इक्वल होती है। That's why. So same thing you will do self taking by comparing. We will write that to prove the same thing. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Figure got drawn. Now given that AB is equals to CD. AB is equals to CD, and you can also write as the circles are congruent. Circles are congruent. So OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD. You can also write that. ये जो सारी चीजें हैं वो क्या होंगी? इक्वल होंगी. Now again by taking that proof, you can easily proof is the same around. Yes, and after that the part will remain same. Clear about it? So you will do that one self. Understand about it? Proof will remain same now. OA is equals to OC, OB is equals to OD as you have written here, and AB is equals to CD, that is given. And now by SS congruency rule, the triangles are congruent, and by CPCT AOB is equals to COD. Clear about it? Now we will see the theorem number 2. Theorem second is the converse of the first. It's the converse of the first. What is the theorem second says? It says that if the angles subtend by the chords of a circle, the chords of a circle are equal in measure. Equal in measure or equal कह सकते हो, equal of a circle at the center of circle at the center are equal. In measure भी written हो सकता है equal. Then the chords are equal. Then the chords are equal. पहले हमने प्रूव किया था chords equal है तो angles equal होंगे. Now it is given that angles are equal, then we have to prove that chords are equal in measure. Same thing, you will draw that. Draw a circle. Draw any two chord. You can draw anywhere. A, B, PQ length as PQ and RS. If you want to take same, then you can take same also. A, B, C, D. Now first draw that angle subtend by the chords at the center. Yes, it is given that two are equal. That two are equal. It is clear. What we have to prove? To prove AB is equals to CD. AB is equals to CD. Given thing is angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Now see the proof. Yes. Here you can see that OA is equals to OC. OA is equals to OC. Radii of circle. Radii of the circle. As all the radii are equal in measure, then angle AOB is equals to angle COD, that is given, and OB is equals to OD, same radii of the circle, radii of the circle. Yes. Now same triangles we have taken in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now why? Here the congruency rule will change. Here it will be as congruency rule. See rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगे. नाउ बाय CBCD we can easily prove that angle AB is equals to CD. That only we have to demonstrate what we want to prove. Yes. Now the question number 2 is based on that. The same kind of things are there. The two congruent circles are there. Here is only one circle. Here they have given two congruent circles, and they are drawing that same angles at the subtending the same angle at the center. C A B. Same you have to do as the first. Means you will write that to prove AB is equals to CD, and given that angle AOB is equals to angle COD, and second thing, as circles are congruent, so their radii will be equal in measure. Therefore OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD, and after that proof, okay, I will complete for you that. So we have to write same. OA is equals to OC, radii of congruent triangle. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देना, radii of congruent circles, ठीक है. OB is equals to OD, same radii of congruent circles. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD, that is given. Or same thing we are writing that. Here we are taking same triangles also. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Clear? By SAS congruency rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, yes, and by CPCT we can write AB is equals to C. So the first part you will do self. First में मैंने ये नहीं करवाया था proof, but as you have seen that one that two are same, so you can do self also. Clear about it in the first. Now that is only in the exercise 10.2. Now we will see some questions or theorem based on exercise 10.3. Theorem 10.3 suggests that, what says that theorem third here, it says that the perpendicular from the center, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. इसको हम प्रूफ देखते हैं एक बार. लेट्स द सर्कल इज देयर. एक हमने सर्कल ड्रॉ किया, हमने एक कोड ड्रॉ कर लिया. Here we have taken the center O. Let we have drawn a perpendicular. Perpendicular we have drawn. Both the side will be 90 degree. Yes. Let the chord be A, B. Let the point is D. Clear about it? What we have to prove here, that is AD is equals to BD. AD is equals to BD. Means OD bisects AB. Chord A B. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. What is given? That are, is it clear? What is given? That is OD is perpendicular on AB. OD is perpendicular on AB. सिर्फ हमें ये दे रखा है कि OD जो है परपेंडिकुलर है वो AB के ऊपर. अब प्रूफ देखते हैं इसका. इन ट्राइंगल, दो ट्राइंगल लेंगे, एक हम लेते हैं OAD और दूसरा लेते हैं OBD. OAD एंड ट्राइंगल OBD. अब इन दोनों ट्राइंगल के अंदर हम जो चीजें देखते हैं कि वन ऑफ दिस इक्वल है. OA इज इक्वल्स टू OB है. इस रेडियस ऑफ द circle. Then we are seeing that OD is equals to OD common, and angle ODA is equals to angle ODB equals to 90 degree because OD is perpendicular on AB. Yes. By which congruency rules are there? As you can see, that is hypotenuse, that is side, and that is right angle. By RHS congruency rule. By RHS congruency rule, the triangles will be congruent. Triangle OAD will be congruent to triangle OBD. ये चीज हमने प्रूव कर ली. Now by CPCD we can write, by CPCD corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So we can write that what we have to prove, AD is equals to BD. That only we have to demonstrate. Why? Clear about it? Very easy it is. Its proof was not given. Yes. Now next is theorem fourth. It's converse. It's converse. ठीक है. First and second are converse of each other. Third and fourth are converse of each other. Converse of each other. It is given that line drawn through the center of a circle. Line drawn through the center of a circle, the center of a circle to a chord, to bisect a chord, to bisect a chord, bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord, is perpendicular to the chord. Just opposite of that कि अगर वो बाइसेक्ट करती है तो क्या होगी, वो उसके परपेंडिकुलर होगी. जैसे मैंने एक सर्कल बनाया, yes, out drawn a circle. After that you have to take the center, draw the chord here. O, A, B. Here it is given that the two parts are equal. The two parts are equal. Is it clear? Now, what we have to prove in that? To prove that angle ODA is equals to angle ODB equals to 90 degree, so that OD is perpendicular on PD. Now, given is that AD is equals to BD. AD is equals to BD. Now see the proof. In triangle OAD and triangle OBD. In triangle OAD and triangle OBD. See that OA is equals to OB, OA is equals to OB. Yes. Radii of the circle, radii of the circle. Clear about it? OD is equals to OD, common, and AD is equals to BD, that is given. So by SSS congruency rule, which congruency rule we will apply? Triangles are congruent. Triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBD. Now by CPCD we can write, that angle ODA is equals to angle ODB. Now we know that angle ODA plus angle ODB equals to 180 degree, forming a linear pair. Yes, first and second. from first and second, we can say twice of angle ODA कितना हो जाएगा 180 degree and angle ODA equals to 90 degree equals to angle ODB. That only we have to demonstrate. Thank you. Complete exercise 10.2 and all 4 theorems in your notebook. Thank you.